How to view saved passwords on iPhone. In today's video, I'll show you how to view saved passwords on your iPhone in just a few simple steps. This method works on all iPhones running iOS 15, 16, 17 or 18, so make sure to watch till the end. Now, first things first, what you need to do is make sure you have the latest iOS running. To do that, go to settings, tap on general and go to software update. If there's an update available, simply tap and update it. Now, once you've done that, what you can do is go back and simply swipe down. From there, simply search for passwords. You may be prompted to unlock it with your Face ID or Touch ID. Once you've done that, here you can simply go to all. Here, as you can see, you can find all the passwords that has been saved on your iPhone. You can get applications passwords like Instagrams, or you can also get websites password as Google, eSeva, Depop, and more. And that's it. Now, to get any of the Wi-Fi passwords, you can simply go to tap Wi-Fi, and here you can simply find all the passwords that you have saved. For example, if you want to share the Wi-Fi that you're connected to, you can simply tap on your Wi-Fi and simply tap on show network QR code, and that's it. That's how you can simply find and share your saved passwords.